Hello everyone, myself Harshada Godse. I am a student of first year BEd, PVG College of Education and Research, Nashik. Today I am here to deliver a demo on a digital lesson plan for which my chosen method is mathematics. My guide professor was Professor Preeti Patil, Math. So students, just a minute. Okay. So have you ever seen a sailboat? Okay, so this is winter season and you often see such a sailboat. So what do you think this sailboat means to you? What do you think? So have you seen this sailboat? You must have seen, okay. So what do you think this sailboat means to you? So I will tell you what this sailboat actually means. So consider you are going for a vacation in this Christmas and there is a winter season. Now the season is also winter and you have to buy some clothes of winter season. And when you enter a shop or a showroom or any mall, you will get to see such a sailboat on which there is something written like 50% off, okay, 10% off, 20% off. So what they actually mean to us is that discount. Okay, so what they actually means is that discount. So what is discount? Discount is something which we get on the mark price. So what we are going to see into this topic is what is discount, okay, how to calculate discount and selling price. So these are nothing but the learning objectives for today's lecture. So what is meaning of a discount? So discount is nothing but the reduction given on a mark price. So when we see a sailboat, there is something written like 10% off, 20% off. So what that actually means is that if the mark price of an article is rupees 1000, let us consider here the MRP, that is maximum retail price. Okay, whatever we are going to actual pay, that was 1000 rupees. But there was a written, you will get a discount, you will get a discount. So what that discount actually means is that that is nothing but the reduction given on that mark price. So here if 1000 rupees is actually your mark price and that article you bought at a price of 800 rupees. So here how much money do you save is 1000 minus 800. So 1000 minus 800. So that 200 rupees was a reduction, correct? First you have to pay 1000 rupees. But after applying a discount of rupees 200 rupees, that is the reduction, you have to pay only rupees 800. So that 200 is nothing but the discount given on that mark price. So here we are going to see some formulas how we actually calculate the discount percentage and selling price. So students always keep in mind you will always get two numbers or two entities among these three entities. Okay, so if MRP and selling price is given, you have to calculate discount. Okay, if sale price and discount is given, you have to calculate MRP. If MRP and discount is given, you have to calculate the selling price. So we are going to see all these three formulas. First, discount is reduction on given price. So what is reduction? Mark price minus selling price. Okay, mark price minus selling price. Now whatever the billboards like this we see, sale, 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 50% off, 10% off, that are actually discount percentage. So how do you calculate? How we calculate discount percentage is discount what we have got, that is mark price minus selling price, on which price we are getting, on that mark price. So here discount divided by mark price into 100. So whenever we have to convert something into percent, we have to multiply it by 100, and whenever we have to convert from percent to number, we have to divide by 100. So it is a simple formula. You just keep in one way that whenever we have to calculate percent, we have to multiply it by 100. And now the selling price, it is nothing but the mark price minus the discount. So these are the three formulas of discount: discount percentage and the selling price. Now we are going to see one example which was already given here, but how we have to calculate, or how we are going to calculate. Let's see, the mark price was given ₹1000, and here instead of discount amount, they are provided us the discount percentage. So here what we are going to do is, first of all, we convert this 20% into rupees or into number. So 20% of 1000. So how we will calculate? So 20 divided by 100. It is a 20% of what price? 1000. So into 1000. So that actually come out to be rupees 200. So here 1000 minus 200, that is mark price minus discount. It is nothing but our selling price, because we have already seen what is selling price, mark price minus discount. So here 1000 was the mark price, 20% means 200 rupees was our discount. So what will be the selling price? It was 1000 minus 200, it will come out to be rupees 800. So here this was the first example of your discount, how to calculate the selling price. So I think this example is clear to you. Now let's move towards the next example. So here you have already given a mark price, okay? You have already given a discount of 10%. What you have to do, you have to calculate the discount amount. Means on that mark price, what actually you will pay after applying this 10% discount. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve. So first we will calculate what is the 10% of 1500, and then what will be the selling price. So first given is mark price 1500, discount is 10%. Okay, next first step is we have to calculate the discount amount. So here 10% of 1500, so that is first 10% is calculated as 10 divided by 100 of 1500 we have to calculate. So here it will come as 10 divided by 100 into 1500. So these two zeros cancel with these two zeros, and 15 plus into 10 comes out to be 150. So what discount we are actually getting? 150. On what price? This 1500. So discount amount is rupees 150. Now step 2. We have to find the selling price. So how we find the selling price? Because we have to calculate two things. Okay. So here selling price, it is nothing but mark price minus discount. So selling price is calculated as mark price was 1500, discount we are already calculated 150. So after subtraction we get a value of 1350. So here the article which was already marked with price 1500, after applying a discount of 10% will be sold at a price of 1350. Okay, students, I think after this interactive example you are pretty good to calculate the discount or selling price or mark price if any two entities are given to you. Okay, so here some real life examples are given for you to solve, and these are two examples actually. First one is of watch on which 15% off is given on 3000, and here shoes are given 10% off on price 2000. Okay, so how you will calculate? First, let me summarize the topic and I will explain how you will calculate this real life example by solving according to the discount, selling price and discount percentage formula. So this is nothing but your homework. In within 2 minutes, I will tell you how to solve this. So let's just summarize the topic. What we have seen, what is meaning of a discount? So discount is nothing but the reduction given on a mark price. Now what was the formula for calculation of discount? So they are nothing but the first discount is mark price minus selling price. Second was discount percentage, which we calculate discount divided by mark price into 100, and selling price, which is nothing but the mark price minus discount. And we have seen some problems also. Okay, so we have also seen two examples. Now this homework based on these two real life examples. What you have given here, shoes and watch, these are your items you have to buy. Then mark price, shoes mark price is 2000, watch is 3000, discount is given 10% and 15% each. You have to calculate what will be the selling price. Now I will tell you just how you will approach the example. First of all, you have to calculate the discount. So 10% of 2000 and then 15% of 3000. And then after calculation of discount, you just have to subtract what this mark price and discount, and that will nothing but your amount, which will be your selling price. So that is your approach for this example. Now I think this topic is clear to you. So I sincerely thank all of you to listen this lecture carefully. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.